Hello everybody. This afternoon we're going to plant our potatoes in our potato boxes. So we used these last year and they worked out pretty good. So just have to add some fresh dirt and we'll get planting. So what we did last year was we took a look around at the price of planter boxes and they were pretty expensive. So we decided that we were going to make our own. So what we did was we just milled some cedar and we did two different types of boxes, one rectangular and one square. And we just wanted to kind of have a competition on which one produced more potatoes. So we did the same number of potatoes in both boxes just to kind of try it out. And the rectangular one produced more potatoes. I think we got just over 100 potatoes out of this one, and I think probably about 65 or 70 I think the number was out of this one. So what's kind of special about this one is we start with two layers on it, and these pieces come off, and what we do as the potato plants start growing up, we add dirt almost all the way to the top of the potato plant. And as a potato plant keeps growing and growing throughout the summer, we have additional pieces that we put, and we just kind of slide that down, and then we just keep adding dirt going up and up and up. So what happens is the plants keep looking for sunlight, and by the end of the summer we'll have, I don't know, probably, what's that, about almost another 20 or 24 inches of potatoes in there. So we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. So basically the potatoes, we just kind of keep digging down and digging down and digging down, and you'll get a whack of potatoes in there. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of dig it up, we'll weed it, and we're adding some fresh soil that we have left over from last year. Keep doing that. Then I think we have to work on our wood pile and sawdust pile from all our milling operations. Clean that up before we get a lecture from somebody. Anyway, we'll keep adding some more dirt. Oh, we have some fresh dirt in both the planter boxes. We're just going to smooth it out, and we're going to make a couple of rows, and we're going to plant some of the seed potatoes.
All right, here we go. These are the russet seed potatoes. So what we end up doing is these all have eyes on them. So what we do is we end up quartering these or cutting them in halves because you only need one eye on the potato for it to grow into a plant. Like some of these ones here, you see how the eyes are spread out. I mean, I could cut this in half. I can cut it into 3/3 here. So I'll just do that with the knife now. So that's one third there. That's another. So I could plant 3 of these, and the way that we're going to do these is the eyes are going to stick up, and I'm going to dig them so that they place about 6 inches deep in the soil, and spread them apart about 8 inches. And this is a 3 by 5 foot box. So this box here, I should be able to get 5 rows. And we'll just be back in a minute. So here I'm just digging a trench for the seed potatoes to go into. Like I said, you want about 6 inches deep. So I'm just going to take these with the eyes facing up. And you want about an 8-inch spread on the potatoes, just to give them space to grow. And we'll continue doing that for the rest of the potato box. Alright, well, we got the potatoes planted in the garden boxes here. Took no less than 10 minutes. And we're gonna plant some more potatoes in our greenhouse this year. This year we're not gonna be planting any other vegetables. So we might end up with a couple hundred potatoes this year. Last year we had about 200.
We'll see which potato box produces more potatoes. Thanks for watching.